Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna do unboxing of Tom's brush pens, guys. You can see, guys, these we have in front of us. This is a super soft tip. It has a super soft tip, guys. Here you can see, and it includes one metallic silver shade, guys, and it's about 14 shades of brown, light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, purple, black, red, orange, yellow, violet, something like pinkish, light pinkish shade, medium green, and the metallic silver shade, guys. And it includes a free Canson Monsual size of 17.5 into 17.5 book, guys. Five sheets worth of 50 rupees. Which is a Doms, guys. This is brand of Doms, and this is uh a 200 rupees, guys, like 2.45 dollars. Let me unbox it. Let's see, radial tapes here, so I can unbox it. You can see, guys, we got this, our new brush pens. We got our brush pens, guys. You can see, guys, and book we got, and we got a book, guys. They gave a free Samsung. We can just take this, so right. See, guys, we got this, the sheets, guys. These are sheets, drawing sheets. We can draw on this. This is best for painting, guys, and brush pens. These are our Canson sheets, and let me try one on a sheet of paper, guys. How it comes. Yes, guys, very nice. You can see. I'll try red. These are like very nice shade, guys. These are dark shade. If you want, if you can buy light shade also, same 200 rupees, $2. So how is this unboxing, guys? Please comment how are these brush pens, and if you want, you can also buy in online, and you can buy, guys. I'll you can buy these, guys. If you want, you can buy these, guys. I'll give you the link in comment in description, guys. You go check out. Bye, bye, guys. Thank you for watching this. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more knowledge about Pokemon cards, gaming, and art. And please subscribe to my channel. And bye, guys. See you next video.